To our special segment, DStreet Chatter. Nimesh joins in and he's managed to pick up chatter even on a Saturday, even when volumes are thin. Nimesh, what do you have for us?
Well, Sirbi, I'm doing a dealing room when there are hardly any dealers in the respective offices as well, right? So, but again, the momentum in PSUs continues, so no point talking too much about that. Again, now it looks like there is a clear divide of camp in the PSUs as well. One who have a bit of a disbelief now after the big rally, and the one camp who still believes that there is a lot of momentum to catch up in the PSUs. So one need to understand which camp they want to be. But apart from that, as rightly pointed out, the volumes are on the thinner side, lack of participation from both FIs as well as the DIs as well. The other couple of sectors which are doing good today are the tire names. So a lot of tire stocks are buzzing in trade, and so is the case with select cement stocks as well. So again, thin day in terms of volumes, but it's the PSUs which keeps outperforming and surprising the street.
Okay, all right, Nimesh, what about individual stocks? You've given us a couple of sectors. Let's relate on to stocks. Yeah.
Manage few individual names as well. So, Nigel, the first stock on my list today is RBA, Restaurant Brands Asia. That stock is buzzing on good volumes as well. I understand the volumes that HNI Dex has picked up in the last many days, and the street is now anticipating some sort of a global tie-up on the coffee side. So, that's the reason why off late RBA has been buzzing in trade. The second stock is Expro India, a small stock, thinly traded as well. But again, if you look at the shareholding pattern, some large investors own a big chunk. And I understand the company is likely to raise funds via QIP very soon. So that's a trigger in Expro India. The third name is Gujarat Fluoro. Flat in trade today, but off late you've seen a bit of surge in that stock as well. The volumes are on the higher side. And the street is anticipating a foray into the electric battery manufacturing very soon. So that's something to track in Gujarat Fluoro going forward. And the last is LIC. Every day you have at least one stock in my chatter list which is part of the PSU basket. LIC is buzzing in trade today on a day when there is not much participation. Though I understand some domestic mutual funds are active buyers in LIC of late, and hence a big surge in that stock as well in the last many days as well as in today's trade.
Nimesh, thanks very much. Interesting list there. So Expro is new on your list, Nimesh.
Yes, Prashant. Small stock, close to 2,500 crore market cap, but if I was just looking at the shareholding pattern, there is hardly any mutual fund participation, but the FI is on a large chunk. Malabar owns close to 11% stake. There are a couple of large individual investors, including Sundar Iyer. He owns close to 1.5–2%. And Ashish Kochole owns close to 3.5%. So good mix of both HNI, smart HNIs and large funds own it. But it's a small stock in terms of market cap, and the volumes are relatively on the lower side.
All right. Thanks very much for that. So interesting list as always, and we'll track it as we go forward. Thank you for joining in, Nimesh. Well, ahead of the...
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.